plus grand qui a apôtre Paul, qui a fondé l'église de Jésus-Christ. Là, monsieur fait fonder l'église. Monsieur a quitté l'église comme ça, mais il a mis des structures, il a organisé l'église. Il n'a pas claqué l'église hors assemblée, donc on l'a offert. Mais il a mis formation, organisation, discipline, structure en dans l'église. Et c'est une route que nous-mêmes nous devons suivre.
Un conseil pour bien-aimé qui a promoté, qui a fait et ordonné pour nous vos nouvelles positions. Encourager pour que nous travaillons de mieux en mieux. Mais pour travailler de mieux en mieux, il faut bien jouer.
Know that you are walking a path that God prepared for you. This calling is not just a simple role, but it is a divine commission. It's an invitation, it's an opportunity to serve, to inspire other people in the faith. Today is the day that the Lord has made.
May you walk worthy of this high calling, knowing that the same God who called Moses from the burning bush, the same Christ who called Peter from his fishing nets, and the same Spirit that empowered Paul on the road of Damascus is the same God calling you now. And I want to leave you with this word. And then, here I am, God. No limits, no distractions. Send me.
It's written in the stars, I signed my name. I'm carrying this torch to my grave. It's burning to the fabric of my soul. Though I know it's not an easy road, the one who made the world has made me free. And I already know my destiny. With every beat that's left inside my heart, I will serve the stand alone. I've decided long ago, though the ground may shake me, I won't let it change me. I will serve the Lord, even if the waters rise, even through the endless night. My faith is firmly set in stone, and I will serve the
in celebration of the ordination of Pastor Romain. May God support you as you mark this significant milestone. Spread the teaching of the gospel and dedicate your life to serving God for the betterment of those under your guidance. Congratulations on your ordination to the pastoral life.